So I wanted to do a quick assembly of the Wall Street 2 pen that I got from Woodcraft. Um, Sorry, the camera angle is a little weird on this, but I wanted to show you how to put it together. So the first thing you do is you put the spring on your ink refill. Then you slide it into the end. Twist this piece on. Then slide that piece on. This is the piece that you actually turn on the lathe. And then what you're going to do is you're going to kind of squeeze this together and press. Be really careful and just press that together. And that is it. That is your Wall Street 2 pen.